You sound so good tonight. They call me redneck, white trash, and blue. Well, I could change all that if I had a couple $1 billion. I keep carrying that money in the room, all evil, and you can't get a camel through the eye of a needle. I'm so that's probably true, but it still sounds pretty cool. You can buy me a boat. You can buy me a truck to put. You can buy me a Yeti once and I down. It's a silver bullet. Let me hear you, Bama. Well, I know what they say. Money can't buy everything. So here you go, baby. Well, you can buy me a boat to float down on the water with a bear out here. Oh, we'll see no more. That'll buy me a brand new rock bread. You can buy me a boat. It's all you. You can buy me a truck. You can buy me a Yeti 110. Yeah, well, I know what they say. Money can't buy everything. Thank you, so. You can buy me a boat. Now a little bit of everybody at one time. Man, let me collect these right quick. Give me both of those signs right quick. I sing a lot about white trash. That's a lot about where I grew up, you know. I got a song called White Trash. I put white trash in this song. I love it. Now let me see that other sign right there. I want to see it. I want to show this in the middle of Buy Me a Boat tonight. This says, Chris, I am cancer-free for 10 years tonight. You know what? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. God is so good. He has blessed me so much. He's blessed me with people to listen to my songs on a farm tour tonight. With my first ever #1, I'd like to say thank you to you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for downloading my song. Thank you for loving my song. Thank you for giving me a job in country music tonight. I love it. I'm having a ball with it. Thank you so much from my family to yours. Now everybody's hands up in the air like this right here. Cell phones out, pictures going, videos going. Let's get this thing rolling right on the farm tour. If you're with me, let me hear you say yeah. Say woo, 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 woo. Man, that sounds cool, like a hunting call or something. Are you ready to sing it, Bama? This is all you this time. 1, 2, 3. Well, if you buy me, yeah, if you buy me, if you buy me, you can do better than that. Come on, Hardy Dixie. I said I know what they say, money. Well, maybe so. Country boys dream come true, just right.